Hello everyone, so welcome to another video, and in this video I am going to talk about one new feature enhancement that we have released recently inside Euron, where anyone and everyone is going to sign up through your link. So in that case, you are going to get 5 rupees, 5 INR. So again, yes, obviously it's a marketing stunt, so we want everyone to know about Euron. So Euron should go to everyone as much as possible. Now, keeping that in mind, this is the initiative that we have taken. So let me share my screen, guys. So I believe my screen is visible to all of you, and here, so if you will come to partnership mode, so you will be able to see that introducing our new reward program. So earn 5 rupees instantly for each successful referral sign up. So yeah, so let's suppose if you are sharing anything, any paid courses or free courses, and someone is going to join even a certificate, even a webinar. So if someone is going to come over here and they are going to do a sign up through your link, so in that case we are offering 5 rupees per sign up, apart from 50% of revenue share. So 50% of revenue share is already there for all of you, so you are not supposed to worry about revenue share at all. But this is a additional feature that we have released in a recent days, so where you will be able to get some sort of a motivation from a beginning itself, a 5 rupees or 0.06 cent for a single sign up. So hope all of you are going to love this reward. And with that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video. If you have any kind of a feedback for us that let's try to bring even this kind of feature, obviously we are going to work and we are going to build that feature. With that, thank you so much everyone.